What's the meaning of artifact? Artifact. Artifact.
Artifact. Artifact. Artifact refers to an object made by humans, especially a tool, weapon or ornament that was created in the past and has cultural or historical significance. It can also refer to any unintended or unwanted alteration in data introduced during its collection, processing, storage or transmission, such as noise, distortion or interference. The presence of artifacts in data can affect its quality and reliability, and may require additional cleaning or correction before analysis or interpretation. Overall, artifacts can provide valuable insights into human creativity, technology, and social behavior, as well as the limitations and challenges of data science and information management.